today we're going to go ahead and review the Everyfun for everyone. Well, that's not their slogan or anything like that, but the Everyfun is a new massage gun. It's sort of like a Star Trek phaser gun or some craziness like that, but it's aerodynamic and sleek and all beautiful and gorgeous. Looks like a spaceship massage gun, and it's ergonomically correct, if I said that right. And it fits right into the palm of your hand. Look at that. Oh, yep. Don't walk outside with this. If you're somebody in a certain area, somebody might think this is something else. So be careful where you're at. And I like to say happy Women's Month and happy wonderful day to everybody else in this world. So the Everyfun is the massage gun that we're going to go through. It has 5 modes. The 5 modes come with 5 different heads, or 4 to 5 heads. The 5th one you have to order, but I'm going to show you that in just a moment. But it comes with 4 heads. But the 5th one is like a newer head for the body that we're going to go through right now. And it kind of tailors to the gluteal area, hamstrings, and lower back. So we're going to put the massage gun down, and it's lightweight, about maybe 3 pounds, possibly 4, 3.5 to 4 pounds, give or take. But the specifications, we will go through that in the review phase of the video. Right now, we're going to show you how to work the massage gun. So let's go. I'm gonna put the massage gun down, don't drop it. So it comes in this wonderful box, and it's waterproof. It zips like zzz, 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 just like it sounds just like that. And you know how zippers sound, just hold on. Yeah. There you go. So that's the zipper sound, and it opens up, and what do we have inside? Magic. We have the instruments, the heads. The first head is the ball head. We've all seen the ball head before, and it's actually bald this time. It doesn't have any felt or roughness, because some of the balls, massage balls that is, from the massage gun, not other balls, but you know what I mean. These balls, this one's smooth, and it goes all across the body without getting caught and entangled in those entanglements. We know about that, and it doesn't get caught into the clothing or the fabric. So glide, look how smooth it looks. You can even hear it. It sounds like a spaceship. Look. Oh, man. It's smooth. So the other ones that actually aren't smooth, yes, it catches the clothes, it moves it up. Some people don't like that. While they're sleeping and trying to relax, they got to worry about their clothes being moved up, or it gets caught in their hair, or caught on smaller hairs on the legs. If you're a hairy guy, that's not going to feel too good. But this one is smooth, bald head. Yep. Hopefully I never get a bald head when I pray I have all my hair. But for smooth gliding, this is what you need. Put that down. This is their flagship head, basically. I haven't seen the head like this on any other massage gun. I like this one because it's, see my thumb going against the, not grain of it, but the silicone. You can kind of hear it. This is soft enough to where you can go towards the temples, the occipital ridge of the head, the neck area, turning it sideways and getting the little ridges in between. And it feels different with the rubber silicone in the vertical to horizontal plane, okay? We'll get a closer view of that in just a moment. The next one, we have the Y shape. The Y shape, remember, goes in between smaller areas of our body, such as the forearm, or forearm ulnar and radial bones, or radial because it's outside, ulnar inside. Anatomically correct position, remember from school, remember your training. So hands goes in between here and in between the neck, okay? Y shape. This one is a new one as well. This is more silver, not silver, but pretty much like a metal. Glides across planes of the body that are even smoother than the rubber. The rubber, yes, it's smooth, but this is smoother. This like moves effortlessly. So for instance, so see how, yeah, it like butter, it moves. This you can actually use if it's cold. It feels good on the body. For somebody's hot and perspiring, you can put this thing in the refrigerator, like, boop, freeze it, put it on a massage gun. Can you imagine cold on the face? Like, well, I wouldn't use it on the face, but let's just say the person's body is hot. Yeah, put this in some cold water, I'm not saying have it drenched with water and mess your massage gun up, but dry it off. The metal part right here is a conductor. Metals like to hold and retain heat or cold. They conduct. So with that being said, if you have somebody who just came from a run on their neck area, can imagine cold massage gun on your neck. Oh, after a hot day, it's over. So now, oh, we all know about this one. This is the bullet. So remember, mine came with 6 pieces. It normally comes with 5, but I do believe on their website, everyfun.com, you can order the extra one. This is their flagship, newest head. And it may come with it now, but I'm just letting you know, you may have to buy it separately. So I'll have a link in the description below. So once you click the link, it'll go to their website, okay? Or their Amazon website, for those who love Amazon, the free shipping and all that, you know, packages at the door. It's like Christmas every day. Oh, I love that feeling. The bullet is great for penetration. We all have stubborn muscles, gluteus maximus, and that forever nagging pain of piriformis issues that close down on that vagus nerve, sending tingling down the leg, left or right leg, or both, and it's debilitating to where you can't even get up. But the bullet, you put that right on there, and that, well, we're not going to be circling like I just did. You're just going to hold it down, and it's really going to get the piriformis muscle that connects, or from the sacrum, comes all the way down, hooks on the end to the greater trochanter. Jesus, I'm forgetting my anatomy. And that muscle underneath it has that nerve. To unhook that nerve, you need something sharp or pointy, or at least a ball. The ball you sit on, or the bullet you penetrate on. Either one will alleviate that pain. It's going to be uncomfortable, but hey, you can now go do number 2 and 3 in peace. Now this one is a wide, this is like something from the Alien Archive. I don't even know where they found this. This is special. We're gonna find out today where I can use this, but this is the one I was usually talking about for the gluteal area down to the hamstring. You see how it fits right on into the hamstrings. Now, if you're a bigger guy like me or bigger, you know, Hulk, it's not gonna work that way. Biceps, yes, maybe. Cause see, that works perfectly right into biceps for me. Like, that's great. But for athletes, people who are in shape, right here at the gluteal area, and you hold it in between the legs this way. Awesome. So let's go ahead and start with the attachments. And it actually comes with the charger. Remember the charger at the bottom? The port is at the bottom. Plug it on in. Wall charger. The wall charger has to be 110 volts, maybe 220 if you have that type of volt or power outlet. If you're ordering overseas, Germany, Switzerland, China, all those other places, Jamaica, and Tahiti, Bahamas, you know, Rihanna Land, all those places, the blue water places, y'all have different plugs. The EU plugs, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, all those fun places, you guys have different plugs. Make sure you get the right plug, because some of you guys have the three prongs or the 4 prongs. Americans, we only have the 2 prongs with the hole in it. That's it. Just make sure you buy the right one, okay? And that's how you charge your machine. So now we're gonna go ahead and start working the Everyfun for everyone on the body. The first one I'm gonna use is their flagship head model that they just came out with, and see how that works. I'm gonna put it on in, make sure it's in there. The back of the button, the power button is back here, but on the bottom, there's no on or off switch, which is good. Some massage guns come with an on or off switch. It's like a double feature. This one doesn't, so you have to worry about switching this on, then switching this. It's just one switch. Almost how like a weapon is like a double action or a single action. Same thing, it's like a single, okay? So the back here, this button has 5 power modes or variations of different vibrations. This is the power level. So if it's all the way up here, then it's full. If it's halfway, then it needs to be charged. If it's blinking, then it's dead. Red is dead. Hold the button for 5 seconds, not even 5 seconds, maybe 1 or 2. All right, So remember, our fingers are off the trigger, we're ready to go, we're working, but that's on the range. We don't have to worry about that. We're working on our client. We are in the room. We're actually good. So we're gonna work on the glutes real quick. And this is at level 1. Let's go to level 2. Level 3. Level 4. And level 5. Now level 5 is a variation of 1 through 4. So right now, see how it's just low? But wait for it, because it'll change on its own.